Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 6. As we have started chapter number 6 of logarithms, and we have solved many questions regarding this chapter. And today we have another question in front of you. Okay, look at the question number 9. Simplify the following. And the question number 1 is given in addition, log 10 plus log 5. So I have told you regarding the rule कि when the multiplication of two terms are given in logarithmic form, then you have to add them separately with the same log. Here the addition is given of the same logarithm. The logarithm is same and the numbers are the different. So rule is written in right hand side. कि if log a multiplied by b, you have to write separately it as log a plus log b. So the question is given as like in the right hand side of the rule कि जो right hand side rule की लिखी हुई है उस वे में आपको क्वेश्चन मिला हुआ है कि log 10 plus log 5. Here the rules right hand side is log a plus log b. We have to write this right hand side of the rule as log a multiplied by b. So by the same way of the rule, we have to write this question is log 10 plus log 5. Then again log 10 plus log 5 is equals to log 10 multiplied by log 5. Log 10 multiplied by 5. So you have to write log at first time, or you have to write log only one time. If there are many log are given in addition, you have to just write it as only one time, then multiply remaining all numbers by putting it on right hand side. Okay, so the log 10 multiplied by 5, it will be log 10 5s are 50. So by this way you have to solve some other questions of question number 9. So I am giving you homework. Question number 3, 4, 6 and 7 are the same rules of plus and minus. If there is a division in the question कि log 10 divided by log 5, then you have, or there is an subtraction in the question, then you have to divide the logs. Or there is if we have given the addition, then we have to multiply the logs. If we have given the subtraction, then we will divide the logs. So by this way you have to solve the remaining questions. We'll meet in our next lecture. So till that you have to solve these and share these questions in our WhatsApp group. Okay, Allah Hafiz.